Today I'm going to show you some of my favorite little bus snacks. The first one entails mason jar to hold said snacks. And I got cucumber here, which I usually been chopping up into, I don't know, maybe like eighths or thirds. However much you want. It does not matter. You'll see the final outcome. So yeah, I like to chop these up into 4 bits. And then from there, give it one final chippity chop without chopping your fingers off. Bam. Goes in jar. Tomatoes, again, however many you want, for however big your jar is, or bowl, whatever. Alright, now for one of my favorite ingredients, red onion. So shockingly, cutting red onion is, everyone kind of does it in their own way. I learned this really fast way of you're able to cut it and dice it all at the same time. So basically, you just take the onion, you just make a bunch of little cuts along the front of it there. And then you take the front part of the knife, put it at the very top, and just pull down. And from there, you can literally they just come off in little bits, just like that. No chopping or dicing required. It's already all done there for you. Bam. I'm down inside of a wash right now. Everyone's driving around their little razors because it's the weekend. Carrot. This is actually one of the first times I've added a carrot to this this little salad I make. I make this salad almost every single day. For lunch, for snacks, just for whatever. Feel like Emerald up in here, you know? Bam! Carrots. What's up, Doc? What's this thing? That's a pepper right there. Holy schmoly. We just need a little bit of this. Boop. That should do it. Nothing too crazy. These things are very pungent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's pungent. It's a good one. I like to chop these up in smaller little bits. My favorite part, balsamic vinegar. And a little olive oil as well. I like a lot. Just picked up a fresh one here, all the way from Italy. Spare no expense on my balsamic vinegar. And of course, they always put governors on these things. Get out of here. Let it flow, let it flow. Ooh, yeah. I fill it up to just like a quarter of the way. Cap that sucker off. All right, and then grab your fork. I don't know if this one's clean. And just mix it all up in there. I guess you could use a spoon too. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. Yeah, just mix all that stuff up. Get all the juices going. Bam. Not too bad, eh?